Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and I'm here today to hopefully do a really short video to show you the differences between using categorization history versus using bank rules. And as you can see right now, I'm in the bank rules page, and before we dive in, I just ask if you haven't done it already, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with others. And at the very least, go ahead and click on the notification bell so that way you can be notified as to any new videos that I upload. My primary target audience is other accountant users, but a lot of end users or small business owners that are doing their own books have joined us, and you're all welcome. Now, with that said, again, we're in the bank rules page here, and we're going to be working with this A1 rental account here. So I'm going to go over here and click on edit so that way you can see how I basically set this rule up. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to set the rules up, but I just wanted you to see really quickly the parameters that I have added here. Very simple rule. I'll even test it out, which I did before, to make sure that it is working the way I want it to work. And notice that I did turn off auto add. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of this, and we're going to go back to the bank transactions page. So when we go back to the bank transactions page, you'll see that that rule has applied to this $1,200 expense that we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and open it up. And the rule is applying the payee name, and it's also showing the equipment rental. But you can also, depending on how many transactions you've entered previous to this, you can click on the categorization history and see that we've had one previous transaction that was entered with the same equipment rental category. And you can actually assign the category from here as well if you want to do that. One thing I will say is that with bank rules, when you set up a rule, you have either money in or money out, and you cannot combine the two. So up here above that $1,200 line item, you can see that we have a $200 refund from a rental, and this was an overpayment or a credit or something that was provided back to our company here. So that's something that using categorization history might help you better do that, because otherwise you would have to set up a separate rule for that money coming back in. But that's probably a rarity that you're going to have that $200 or any kind of return or refund. So you probably would be better off, instead of setting up a separate rule for that, maybe using the categorization history. So anyway, that's basically all I have for you today. And if you see that when you test this out on your end that I may have missed a step or said something incorrect, tell me in the comments, because I'm willing to test it out again in a regular test file. Like, I do have a test file. I just didn't want to fool with that today since I was already in the sample file doing something else. So anyway, y'all take care. Have a wonderful day, and we will see y'all very soon.